If you're replacing windows or doors, a FENSA certificate is essential. Here are 10 key facts to protect your home and sale. From Axiom Eco Homes. A FENSA certificate proves your windows meet thermal and safety standards. It is a legal requirement, not a recommendation. All replacement glazing in England and Wales requires building regulations approval. FENSA covers most domestic work, but not new builds or listed buildings. When selling, your buyer's solicitor will ask for the FENSA certificate. Without it, you may need indemnity insurance costing between £200 and £400. FENSA-registered installers handle the entire certification process. They register your work with FENSA after installation. If you have lost your certificate, you can search the FENSA database online to retrieve it. Retrospective certificates are possible but costly. You may need building control approval or indemnity insurance costing £200 to £400. FENSA covers energy efficiency standards, ensuring your windows meet thermal performance requirements. Not all glazing work needs a FENSA certificate. New builds and listed buildings require separate listed building consent. Without a certificate, your local council can demand that non-compliant installations be removed or corrected. A FENSA certificate protects you when selling by preventing delays and extra costs. Always hire a FENSA-registered installer. Always hire a FENSA-registered installer to safeguard your investment. For expert advice, visit Axiom Eco Homes.